The book Belong Pickaninny has been in partnership with the Swiss Embassy in Canberra for more than 6 years, and now they're looking forward to embarking on a new project to carry out teacher training for school teachers in the Eastern Highlands province. Joining us this morning to tell us more on the partnership with Book Belong Pickaninny and the Swiss Embassy is rather the PNG, the executive officer, PNG, with Book Belong Pickaninny, Miss Leanne Resson. She joins us to give us a bit of an insight as to what this new project is all about. Leanne, big good morning to you. Thank you so much for joining us here on Dabai Show, NBC National Radio.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
All right, Leanne, Book Belong Pickaninny. Firstly, tell us about the new partnership arrangement and how this all came about.
Thank you. So this partnership, it will involve conducting training for 3 schools in Eastern Highlands province. So the training consists of early childhood education, so training on that, upskilling teachers in the field of early childhood education, and also inclusive education, so a bit of sign language in there as well. Apart from the training, which will cover over 10 days, we'll also support the teachers in the 3 areas with teaching